Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create new account in Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. Let's dive into the video. First, open your Mobile Legend game. Once you launch the game, tap on your profile icon and you can see several options and tap on the account option, and there's a option called Moonstone account and tap to connect. Make sure to tap on that, and there will be email registration will be loaded, and you have to fill the email address, password confirmation, and your username, and you have to tick the term and condition and submit. Once you fill the registration form and give your username for yourself and tap on submit, there will be an email for verification. Go to email and make sure to verify that. Once you verify, your account will be registered and you are good to play the game.